This is question number 11 of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 13, that is probability. The question is, in a game, a man wins a rupee for a 6 and loses a rupee for any other number when a fair die is thrown. So the game is like this. A man is throwing a fair die. If he gets a 6, he wins a rupees, and if he is not going to get a 6, he is going to lose a rupee. Okay. So, a man decided to throw a die thrice, but to quit as and when he gets a 6. Okay. So man has decided that he is going to throw the dice only 3 times. And when 6 is going to come, he is going to quit. Okay. So 6 can come, if 6 comes in first throw, he is going to quit as in there. Similarly, if he is going to get 6 in the second throw, he is going to quit. And if he gets 6 in the third throw or not, he is ultimately going to quit. So he will continue up to the third throw only if the first and the second throw do not result in a 6. Okay. Now in this condition, we have to find the expected value of the amount he wins or loses. So we have to find the mean value or expectation of this random variable x. X is the amount he wins or loses. Okay. Now to solve this question, first of all, the probability of winning in each throw is equal to 1 by 6. That is probability of getting a 6. Okay. And q is the probability of losing in each throw, and this would be equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 or 5 by 6. Okay. So probability of losing is probability of not getting a 6, and this can also be directly written as equal to 5 by 6. Now, because the man will throw a die 3 times only, but he will quit as soon as he will get 6. So there are 3 cases possible. First case is the man gets 6 in first throw. So in this case, we can say that the probability of winning in first throw is 1 by 6 and amount received would be equal to rupee 1. This is a simple thing. Okay. In second case, the man will get 6 in the second throw. This is possible only if he loses in the first throw and wins in the second throw, and this would be equal to 5 by 6 into 1 by 6. And because he have thrown the dice twice, so he is going to, and this would be equal to 5 by 36, because he has thrown the die twice. So in the first throw he is going to lose 1 rupee, and in the second throw he is going to gain 1 rupee. So the total amount he is going to receive would be equal to 0 rupees. Okay. In the third case, man gets 6 in the third throw. Okay, this is the last case which is possible, and in this case we have to find the probability that he loses in the first throw, loses in the second throw, and wins in the third throw. So in this case, the probability would be equal to 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, losing in first throw into losing in second throw into winning in the third throw, and this would be equal to 25 upon 216. And in this case, the amount he will be receiving would be equal to minus rupee 1 plus rupee 1, that is losing in first throw, losing in second throw, and winning in the third throw, and this would be equal to minus rupee 1. Okay. So the amount, let x be the amount received. So this can be, we are now going to prepare the table in x and the probability of x, that is amount he received and the probability. So probability of receiving the amount 1, amount equal to rupee 1 would be 1 by 6, that is probability of winning in the first throw. Probability of receiving an amount 0 would be equal to probability of winning in the second throw, and this would be equal to 5 by 36, and probability of receiving an amount equal to minus 1 rupees would be equal to winning in the probability of winning in the third throw, and this would be equal to 5 by 216. So this is the probability distribution of x. Okay. So expectation of x would be equal to the summation of the value of the random variable, the value of the random variable into the probability of that random variable. Okay. So the summation of the product of the random variable and its probability can be written like this: 1 into 1 by 6, 0 into 5 by 6, minus 1 into 25 upon 216, and this is 0, so I'm going to get 1 upon 6 minus 25 upon 216, and this is equal to 36 minus 25 upon 216, and this would be equal to 11 upon 216, which is the required answer. So this is how I'm going to solve this question. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.